What if your action camera could transform into 3 different cameras in seconds? Today on Caring Guy, we're checking out the brand new SJCAM C400 4K Detachable Pocket Action Camera, a unique 3-in-1 camera system that combines a tiny detachable action camera, a wireless touchscreen controller, and a handheld vlogging setup all in one package. With 4K recording, advanced stabilization, a rotatable touchscreen, wireless control, and up to 7 hours of battery life, this could be one of the most versatile pocket cameras of 2026. Let's find out if it's worth your money.
At first glance, the SJCAM C400 looks different from traditional action cameras. Instead of a single body design, the C400 uses a detachable magnetic camera module that can be removed from the main controller. This means you can use it in 3 different ways: as a traditional action camera, as a tiny wearable POV camera, or as a wireless handheld camera controlled from a distance. This flexible design opens up creative shooting possibilities that most action cameras simply can't offer. The camera module itself is incredibly compact and lightweight. It easily fits into a pocket and can be mounted on helmets, bicycles, backpacks, chest mounts, or almost anywhere you need hands-free recording. The included wireless handheld controller features a beautiful 2.29-inch rotatable touchscreen. One of the coolest features is that simply rotating the display powers the camera on instantly. The touchscreen feels modern, responsive, and easy to use even outdoors. Now let's talk about the most important part: video quality. The SJCAM C400 records stunning 4K Ultra HD footage with excellent detail and vibrant colors. Whether you're cycling, hiking, traveling, vlogging, or capturing family adventures, the image quality looks sharp and professional. The camera also supports electronic image stabilization through SJCAM's SteadyMotion V1.0 technology. This stabilization system helps smooth out bumps and shakes during movement. Additionally, the 45-degree horizon lock feature keeps your footage level even when the camera tilts, creating much more cinematic-looking videos. One feature that really stands out is the wireless Bluetooth controller. Instead of constantly reaching for the camera, you can frame your shot, start recording, stop recording, and review footage directly from the controller's touchscreen. For content creators, vloggers, and outdoor enthusiasts, this makes shooting much easier and more convenient. You can mount the camera in difficult locations while maintaining full control from your hand. Battery life is often a weak point for action cameras, but SJCAM has addressed that issue with the C400. When used together with the handheld controller, the system can provide up to 7 hours of continuous recording. That's significantly longer than many compact action cameras currently available. For travel, road trips, cycling adventures, and long outdoor sessions, that extended battery life can make a huge difference. Because the camera module is so small, it's perfect for first-person perspective shots. You can mount it on helmets, bicycles, motorcycles, backpacks, fishing gear, sports equipment, or even use it as a body camera. The lightweight design means you'll barely notice it's there. The C400 isn't just an action camera. It can also work as a live streaming camera, and it can function as a webcam for video calls, online meetings, and content creation. This versatility makes it useful not only for adventure enthusiasts, but also for everyday creators. Pros. What I like about the SJCAM C400: innovative detachable 3-in-1 design, compact and ultra-portable camera module, 4K video recording, SteadyMotion stabilization, 45-degree horizon lock, wireless Bluetooth controller, large rotatable touchscreen, up to 7 hours battery life, POV-friendly mounting options, webcam and live streaming support. Cons. A few things to keep in mind. Electronic stabilization isn't as powerful as premium flagship action cameras. The highest image quality works best in good lighting conditions.
some advanced software features may arrive through future firmware updates.
So, is the SJCAM C400 worth buying? If you're looking for a compact action camera that offers flexibility, portability, wireless control, and long battery life, the SJCAM C400 delivers a very interesting package. Its detachable design genuinely sets it apart from traditional action cameras and gives creators more freedom to capture unique perspectives. For travelers, cyclists, vloggers, outdoor adventurers, and content creators, this could easily become one of the most useful pocket cameras in your gear collection. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Caring Guy, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. See you in the next one.